All right, good morning, traders. It is November. I'm sorry, November. That just goes to show that I haven't had sleep in like 20 hours. January 16th, 2020. And yeah, so trading again here from Tokyo. It's been a rough week, I'll tell you. And, like the idea of being able to trade around the world and make money is great unless your schedule kind of messes you up a little bit. That combined with the jet lag and all that other stuff. So, like this whole week, I think I'm going on maybe 8 hours of sleep, 10 hours of sleep for the entire week so far. The first day we had a nice green day. Second day, I was really tired, like literally started to fall asleep, doze off in the middle of trades. I had some bad order entries, fumbled some stuff there, bought I made some trades that I shouldn't even make. Like they weren't even the the setup said don't do it, and I don't know what I was looking at, and I made those trades anyway. So we ended up having a nice big red day. And then yesterday, I was fortunate enough to still being sleepy, make good decisions, and slowly recover that red day. Had I made a little better decisions, I would have fully recovered our red day and been back in the green already. So today, hopefully, we can make a little bit and get a little closer, if not fully recover that red day. But either way, I don't have any expectations on how much I'm going to make. I just show up, put my offering out there, which is going to be like $50 a trade, unless something is really, really sweet. And then the market's either going to take it or it's going to give me something in return. So yeah, we'll see what happens today and see if we can get back on track and finish the week green. All right, we got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and buy, or short rather. Okay, cool. So we're short Roku. Our trigger order already went in. See right here. Can double check it. High 133, 80, and 130. So now I'm going to go and mark it up and then adjust that number to be precise. All right, so here we are. It looks like we're going to get a close. Once we get a close below 132, like we're about to get, that should signify to traders that they can let the selling begin because we've broken that support level. So see what happens. I could have maybe put my stop in right now and just gotten out. But with this long time support level being broken, I'm going to give this an opportunity to go ahead and carry on and give me a 2-to-1 or more on the trade because of that long time support level that just got broken. So we'll see what happens. And it broke on this candle closing. And that candle closed pretty much on my target. So there's a high probability I'll come down to the next target. But I think what I'll end up doing is putting my if this monkey's around here, I'll put my stop in at 132.48. So we got the spread that we have to deal with. So we got to make sure we pay attention to that. Okay, so now that's under. So we're going to go ahead and sell and buy. So now we got our 2-to-1 in on this trade. So that's pretty nice. And 14 is what we have right now for our 3-to-1. We're going to change this to 29. 29. And we're going to change this to 10 actually. 1-4, yeah. All right, so now once this gets close to this 14, I'm going to go ahead and change the order again. Oh, we're out. Oh, we should be out. Oh, no, why are we not out? 131. There we go. Okay, cool. So we are out with basically a 2-to-1 on this trade for $43. So sweet. Now I'm going to look and see if I got one more trade available. Over here right now, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. My day starts at 5 a.m. in 4 hours. So I'm going to see if I can get one more trade in before I go to bed. But if not, I'm going to hit the bed, and I got to wake up in 4 hours. So, yeah, then we'll be back tomorrow. All right. In about 10 seconds here, 300 shares. We have our switch happening. We got permission. Looks like it's breaking high of day. All right, so we just jumped in there long. So now we're going to mark it up. We got our stop in automatically here. But then we're going to mark it up to get an accurate number here. And there's a spread here I got to account for too. So when I go to move my stop, I got to make sure the spread is in my favor. So I'm not moving it based on the ask. I'm moving it based on the bid because I'm long on this. So 458. That's where we want to be. 458 right now. I just need to get above that, and I'll put this in. 459. Oh, too slow. Come on. Do it again. And then sell. 459. Come on. 456. What? The spread here. Come on. I should probably just bounce out. Take my $50 in this trade. Alright, sell. And I'm already out. 458. It didn't. Whatever. All good. So we're out with another $57. So with that, oh man, now look at this thing going. So with that, we are fully recovered our loss from yesterday, and we're back on track with a green week. So that's one thing too, is like if you have a big red day, like yesterday, not yesterday, the day before, that was a pretty big red day. I mean, $200 on a $1,200 account, it's a pretty big red day. So you know, I don't try to like make it all back in one trade or even in one day when you have that kind of loss. You know, that's one of those things where it's like, well, you know, hopefully by the end of the week, I got 3 days left, I can recover some of that. You know, maybe I get all of it back. But fortunately, I was able to recover it all in 2 days. So Monday was a green day, so now we're green on the week, and we got one more trading day. So Friday, hopefully we can have a green day on Friday, and we'll have a green week.